Hello everyone, I'm Naviya Rao, studying 6th standard in Yamana International School, Mumbai. I'm really excited to connect with people around the world. And I'm really passionate about management, leadership, and investment subjects. In my videos, I'll be sharing about management studies with practical examples, and I hope you will enjoy the journey with me. Now, my sister will introduce about herself.
Hi, I'm Nanshiya Rao, studying 8th standard in the same MNR International School. I'm also very much interested to learn management and investment subject. Myself and Naviya will discuss about management studies. Okay? I think Naviya knows something about management. Naviya, do you know what is management?
Yeah, I will tell you by simple way. Yeah, management is a process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling resources to achieve goals in the most effective and efficient way. We can see management in our daily life. Nanshiya, can you explain simply?
Yeah, why not? For example, at our school, teachers manage timetable and classes. At our home, parents manage money, food, and family work. Even we students manage the time when we study, play, and help at home. Is it right, Naviya?
Yeah, good understanding, Nanshiya. Now, shall I tell another example about management, like how the school is managed? Okay, first is planning. That is the management deciding what to do in school. Like how many staffs and classrooms need, planning the timetable, annual day programs, sports events and exams. Second is organizing. That means arranging people and resources. For example, arranging teachers for subject, grouping students, preparing classrooms, arranging books and materials. Next is leading. Okay. Leading means guiding and motivating others to achieve results. Like the principal leads the teachers and teacher guide the students to learn and perform well. The another one is controlling. That means the management should monitor if everything is going as per plan. For example, making sure classes are happening on time, students are learning properly and rules are followed.
So, school management means planning activities, organizing resources, leading students and teachers, and control everything to make sure that school runs smoothly. Hope you may like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so excited to share more with you in upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.